So I just got out of Wawa. I took a 10-minute break. Went and got some coffee. It is 11:20. I just took 2 Grubhub orders. I was at my spot where I pick up deliveries and I got nothing for a half hour. So I was getting ready to go do my laundry, but when I was heading over to the laundromat, Grubhub came in and I picked up 2 orders going, well, now I'm in the next town over. So I'll let you know when I get another order. Okay. I was going to say, I just got back to town. $9.75 for 8 miles. So let's go and pick that up. Just happy to get an order. Hey, yes. Good gift. Alright, so we got it. Alright. Seems like I'm having a lot of issues today. Okay. You see how the complete delivery is still not open. Question mark at the top, all the way on the bottom. Contact delivery support, cashier support. It says call support. Alright. So there is no chat. Call support. It's always going to take longer. Okay, I'm back in town. It is 12:22. Let's see, I made $24.09 with Grubhub. I made $9.75 with DoorDash so far. I have been on almost 3 hours. So right now I'm making what, about $10 an hour? I'm only on till 2:30 today. Let's see what we can get. Okay, I got an order at McDonald's and it's for $5. So let's go take it. Okay, I just got an order at 1:30. $3.25. Going 0.8 miles. I will be lucky to make over $50 today in 5 hours. We'll see. We are now up to $18. Yay! So, there's another one. Hey, we're going to be shopping. I didn't even see how many miles was on it. I hope it's not that far. Okay, that was a little crazy. They didn't have his trash bags. Yeah, they didn't have his trash bags, so I probably spent 15 minutes trying to find a substitute that he liked. Oh well, part of the job. Okay, I got $8.75. It is 2:18 right now. I have about 15 minutes left on this shift. See why they wanted the trash bags? You see that? Yeah, they're ripping that place apart. I think I went the wrong way. Anyway, I'm going to go do my laundry. It is 2:27. I'll work an extra 3 minutes tomorrow. We work from 9:30 to 2:30. We also took 2 Grubhub orders today, and we still only made $50.84 in 5 hours. We drove 58 miles. So I think the moral to this is I need to make more money.